Folks, here we have a beautiful 100% natural canary green diamond. Quality Si2, because there is slight inclusions in it. Take a look at it, folks. Look at the sparkle, look at the fire. Beautiful diamond, folks. Beautiful canary green diamond. Size over 1/3 of a carat. My diamond scale weighs it in at 34 points. Over 1/3 of a carat of pure, natural diamond beauty. Just look at the fire. Look at the sparkle. Look at the color. My price to y'all on this beauty is going to be $249. And that is below wholesale replacement cost. This is a special. $249 for over 1/3 of a carat natural canary green diamond. Grab it while you can, because it's the only one I have of this color and size. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Any questions? Email me, give me a call. Google verified so you can buy with confidence. Thank you all for your business and trust.